Hola, Profe Arnaly here, Pedacitos de Español con Lengualista, a little bit of Spanish with Lengualista. Today we're going to talk about happiness. Why? Because it's a spring day. It's a beautiful spring day. It's sunny. Temperature is not that high, not that low. It's 8 degrees, which is warm for Canadian standards. However, today we're going to talk about something happy. The way we laugh in Spanish. We laugh with the letter J. You know, the first time that I laughed on text and my husband saw me, he was like, "Why are you writing ja, 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 ja?" And I went to say, "That's not ja, 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 ja. That's how we say ha, 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 ha in Spanish. In Spanish, we laugh with the letter J. So Santa doesn't laugh ho, ho, ho. That would be o, o, o in Spanish. It laughs with a J. Ho, ho, ho." Anyway, I'm getting too silly. I hope you're enjoying your spring. I hope you enjoy your Easter. And I hope you learn that in Spanish, we're happy with a J. Nos vemos.